Why did the Sun King destroy his most loyal minister? In the glittering halls of Versailles, a trusted advisor's brilliance became his downfall. Nicolas Fouquet, the finance minister, was a man of immense talent and ambition. Yet, his desire to impress led him to throw a lavish party that rivaled the king's own grandeur. This act of ostentation was perceived as a threat by Louis Roman XIV, who was notoriously sensitive to any challenge to his authority. The king's reaction was swift and severe, demonstrating the peril of outshining those in power. Never outshine the master. This law warns against eclipsing those in power. In today's world, understanding this can save your career. The dynamics of power are delicate, and those who hold it are often wary of being overshadowed. By recognizing the importance of maintaining the status quo, you can navigate the complexities of workplace hierarchies more effectively. This law is not about diminishing your own light, but about ensuring it does not threaten the light of those above you. Meet Nicolas Fouquet, the ambitious finance minister of Louis Roman XIV. His lavish lifestyle and grand parties made him the talk of France. Fouquet was a man who understood the power of image and spectacle, using his wealth to cultivate influence. However, his extravagant display at the Château de Vaux-le-Vicomte in 1661 was a miscalculation. It was here that he inadvertently highlighted his own capabilities at the expense of the king's ego. This misstep would cost him dearly, as it sowed the seeds of envy and suspicion in the mind of Louis Roman XIV. Fouquet threw a spectacular fete at his Château, attended by the king himself. But here is what he missed. The king felt overshadowed. The event was meant to showcase Fouquet's loyalty and service, yet it backfired spectacularly. Louis Roman XIV, already wary of potential rivals, saw this as a direct challenge to his supremacy. In the world of power, perception is reality, and Fouquet's failure to recognize this led to his undoing. The king's response was not just about the party. It was about maintaining the delicate balance of power and ensuring that no one dared to outshine him. In 1661, Louis Roman XIV had Fouquet arrested. The once celebrated minister was imprisoned for life, his fortune seized. This dramatic fall from grace serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of overstepping one's bounds. Fouquet's ambition, once a source of his power, became his greatest weakness. The king's decision to imprison him was a calculated move to reassert control and eliminate any perceived threats. It underscores the importance of understanding the limits of your influence and the risks of challenging those in authority. Why does this law work? Envy and insecurity are powerful forces. Outshining your superior can trigger their deepest fears. In any hierarchy, those at the top often feel the most vulnerable, as their position is constantly under scrutiny. By inadvertently highlighting their weaknesses, you risk becoming a target of their insecurities. Understanding the psychology of power dynamics can help you navigate these treacherous waters, ensuring that you remain in favor rather than falling victim to envy. In a hierarchy, status is a delicate balance. Upsetting it can lead to your downfall. Those who rise too quickly or shine too brightly often find themselves facing unexpected resistance. The key is to advance subtly, ensuring that your progress does not threaten those above you. By maintaining respect for the established order, you can secure your position and avoid the pitfalls that come with challenging the status quo. Remember, in the game of power, discretion is often your greatest ally. In a job review, highlight your team's success, not just your own. This shows respect and keeps your boss feeling secure. By sharing credit, you demonstrate that you are a team player, which can enhance your reputation and build trust. This approach not only protects you from potential envy, but also positions you as a leader who values collaboration. In the long run, this strategy can help you advance without attracting unwanted attention or resentment. In meetings, support your superior's ideas before presenting yours. This builds trust and positions you as an ally. By aligning yourself with leadership, you create a foundation of mutual respect and understanding. This tactic not only strengthens your relationship with those in power, but also provides a platform for your own ideas to be heard. By showing that you are on the same team, you can advance your agenda without appearing confrontational or threatening. Never outshine the master. Respect the hierarchy. Share credit wisely. These principles are not just about survival, but about thriving in environments where power dynamics are at play. By understanding and applying these strategies, you can navigate the complexities of professional relationships with greater ease and success. Remember, the path to power is often about subtlety and strategy, not just strength and ambition. Remember, the brightest light can cast the darkest shadow. Next, we'll explore the power of concealment. As we delve deeper into the 48 laws of power, you'll discover how the art of subtlety and discretion can be your greatest tools. Join us as we uncover the secrets of influence and learn how to wield power effectively and wisely. Until then, keep your light shining, but never so brightly that it blinds those around you.